Good to be back. In fact, of late, we have seen a lot of interest around virtual teaming and collaboration, which is why I wanted to spend some time looking at what is it that we have learned about virtual teaming and collaboration. When we think about virtual teaming, the first important element is the platform. So, whether it be Zoom, Teams, WebEx, whatever is the platform, make sure that it's a robust platform. In fact, sometimes I have seen that platforms like Teams helps organizations achieve more because they are fairly integrated. You can actually go ahead and use them as document repositories. You can use them to align to apps, align to enterprise security, etc. Now, once you have the platform, what we need to look at is to make sure that every person is visible. Please remember that the maximum amount of information actually gets transferred when people are visible, so that make that as a norm within your organization. Now that people are visible, that is where teaming and collaboration gets to work. And the best part about virtual is your ability to use multiple tools to make this collaboration work. The simplest tool you could be using is a whiteboard. And I think research has shown that almost two-thirds of people think visually. No wonder it is said, a picture is worth 1,000 words. So, what we have to look at is how do we visually engage audiences by using whiteboards? You will find that the mirror neurons are triggered, people are far more engaged. So, that gets the teaming element running. But the fact is, if you need more output out of meetings, what you have to think about is leveraging or extending that whiteboard with specific tools, whether it be brainstorming, whether it be project planning, whether it be design thinking, whether it be account planning, it does not matter. The fact is, are you able to build templates? Are you able to get everybody to contribute and collaborate? In fact, that's the best advantage of going virtual is the ability to get everybody to collaborate on a document together. The level of engagement is much higher. The quality of the output is much higher. Of course, some of the norms of making sure that people are accountable to commitments, people take actions, etc., needs to be maintained as well. But then, what I would love each one of you to do is to learn from some of these best practices that you see as part of our newsletters so that you could leverage those in your organization. Make sure that you observe what these are, absorb these, experiment within your organization. And every time you discover you can expand more or get more done, that is when you will find that virtual is actually beneficial. Right? I wish you very good luck as you experiment your way to achieving far greater productivity. I know personally that we have doubled our productivity virtually, and I want you to achieve the same. Good luck, take care, speak soon.